Let's take a closer look at how we can add guests to individual topics inside specific grids. So here I am in my educator dashboard in Flipgrid, and I'm in the My Grids tab so I can view all of my grids. For this example, I'm going to select my Microsoft Innovators grid, and I'll just click on it to view all the topics inside the grid. I'm going to open the Sharing is Caring topic by clicking on it. Now from here, there are two different ways that we can set up guest access. We can either go to Topic Actions and click on the drop-down and select Add Topic Guests, or we can just simply click this button up here at the top of the topic, Add Topic Guests. Either way, we will be brought to the Topic Guest Access window where we can set permissions. Now, you have to turn on guest mode if you are going to invite a guest into the topic. By turning on guest mode, it simply means that anyone with the guest code below or the link can view videos submitted to the topic. Notice that there's also the permission of allow recording. If we turn this permission on, now our guests who we give this guest code to or the link to, they will be able to record videos inside the topic. So if we wanted our students to interview and interact with the guest, you're going to want to make sure that not only do you turn on guest mode, but you also turn on allow recording so that the students can not only contribute videos to the topic, but that the guests can record his or her own responses. Now, keep in mind that guests will only have access to topics that you give them access to in your grid. So right now we are inside the Sharing is Caring topic inside the Microsoft Innovators grid. So if I give this guest code and this link to a guest, they will only have access to the Sharing is Caring topic. They will not have access to any other topics inside the Microsoft Innovators grid. All right, once we've set up our permissions, we can then choose who we're going to give the guest code to. By giving another individual the guest code, they can then enter that code into the Flipgrid app or on the main page of the Flipgrid website to access this specific topic. Notice that you can also copy the link that is shared below or even generate a QR code which they can then scan with a mobile device. Remember that you can share the guest code with whomever you like, and you can always regenerate the code. By regenerating the code, the current link will become inaccessible, and guests will no longer have access to the topic with the original code you gave them. All right, so once we have set up our permissions and we have copied the guest code or the link or the QR code, we can go ahead and click All Set. I can then share that particular guest code through an email with my guest, and they will have to accept the invite on their end and they will be invited into this topic. It's as simple as that to add guests to specific topics inside your grids in Flipgrid.